You're looking live at growing clouds over central Virginia as viewed by our East Market Street weather camera. In 24 hours from now, that camera view will look a lot different as heavy rain is on the way. Hello, I'm 29 First Alert meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. That is the next big thing I'm tracking from the Weather Center. It is a First Alert weather day on Thursday and Friday for the likelihood of some flooding as we're tracking the progress of Tropical Storm Debby. It will spread its rains northbound and impact the entire area over the next couple of days. I do expect the entire region to be under a flood watch for the possibility of some high water. So watch those flood prone areas, urban areas, creeks, rivers, streams. And if you ever come up on high water, turn around, don't drown. That is the saying. Tropical sunset last evening. Wow, what a spectacular sight it was. We had those high-level cirrus clouds from the outer effects from Debby, giving us that illumination with that sunset about 7 o'clock last night. In that first forecast for the rest of your Wednesday, not a whole lot going on weather-wise. Clouds, hazy breaks of sun, tropically humid, but not as hot as recent days. No more 90s for a while. And the day could end with a widely scattered to spotty shower and a tropical downpour, maybe even a rumble of thunder. Right now, though, the radar is completely rain-free, at least here at home. All eyes go to the south. There's the center of Debby getting better organized now. It's back over the warm waters of the Gulf Stream, and it's going to be pushing inland into South Carolina, North Carolina, and Virginia as we go into the next couple of days. We can track that now on the National Hurricane Center. And look at this. Friday morning, there's the bullseye. That's the remnant low pressure area over our region, and that will give us the widespread rain and even some gusty wind. So Futurecast shows sparse rain chances through this evening. Then the rain picks up tomorrow morning. There's 8 in the morning, widespread rain. Spokes of tropically heavy rain will arrive from the southeast. And here's Friday morning. And then it looks like by Friday evening, Friday night, the weather should begin to improve. And so far, so good. Friday is after 5. It should be on the drier side at this time as the bulk of the rain falls tomorrow into early on Friday. We will all receive 2 to 4 inches of rain, but there will be localized areas that will receive at least 6 inches of rain, and that will cause a high water risk, but certainly beneficial to our ongoing drought. Gusty winds Thursday, Friday, anywhere from 25 to 45 mile-an-hour winds, and then that low pressure center with Debby will exit off to our northeast, but still breezy and less humid this weekend. Tornado risk, especially off to our southeast on Thursday. On the eastern side of the circulations, you can always get a quick spin-up tornado, so watching that very closely for tomorrow as well. Forecast today, clouds, hazy sun, a scattered downpour in the 80s tonight, a downpour around lows in the 70s, tropically humid tomorrow in the 70s and low 80s. It is a first alert weather day for rain heavy at times. Flooding will be a concern tomorrow into Friday. Here's your 7-day forecast. Some leftover rainfall and breezy on Friday, then drying out Friday night. Dry this weekend, less humid, highs in the 80s and lows comfortable near 60. Jared.